The Atlas project was funded by European program Life Set Local. The main was to involve the small and medium-sized cities in the implementation of the SECAPs, so Sustainable Energy Action Plan, and also for the mitigation and adaptation. And the project involves different partners. So we are working all together to provide enough support to the cities for the implementation of the SECAPs. And my role as coordinator is to support the communication among the consortium and with the European Commission, but in particular to ensure that we are implementing interesting projects that can be replicated in the context and ensure the dissemination of the impacts and the effect and have a good storytelling of the pilot initiatives. There are three main pillars in the project. The first one is the capacity building, and we have developed on a digital platform that is called the Huddle, a training courses on three topics. And the topics actually are governance, finance, and positive energy districts. So in this platform, responsible in the cities for the transition or other employees or politics of the municipalities can find information and improve their soft skills, but also competencies on the transition. The second pillar is the creation of community of practices. We believe that the exchange of information of best practice and also on how to solve problems inside the municipality can create an added value in the community. And this community of practice can create a place where the cities can talk and exchange information, receive assistance, and also provide input for the cities. The third pillar is the technical assistance. So we selected at European level 25 cities that are pilot cities, and those cities are implementing with support of the partners pilot initiatives. One of the cities that is implementing an interesting pilot initiative in Italy with the support of Atlas is the city of Modena. It's a city with about 200,000 inhabitants. And now they are working on SECAPs monitoring and implementation. And they asked us to provide support to create a one-stop shop for the installation of renewable energies. We are working with banks to provide low interest rate loans to the citizen. We are working with designers of PV plants to provide a flat rate designers of the plant, and also with companies that install PV plants to provide discounts and eventually also make interventions like ESCO, so integrating also funding the financing solutions. By the end of the project, we are going to define a business model for the community of practice. We will continue the activation of this community of practice that will involve, by the end of the project, at least 100 cities. So we start from 25, but we want to achieve 100 cities. And the business model will support the long-term sustainability of the community of practice in the future, identifying also the services that will be provided and the activities of the community of practice. My message for the policymakers is to involve more small and medium-sized cities that we are involving in Atlas project, because they are very involved in the transition of the territories, in implementing low-carbon strategies, and they are having very huge results and impacts implementing the SECAPs. My recommendation is to involve more them, because they can provide an added value to the regional and national policy implementation.